Back may have seen the story yesterday in the Journal, way overplayed in my opinion, but Leslie Picker reporting on it for us as well, much more down the straightaway. Apollo might want to consider financing a must bid for Twitter. Okay. That doesn't mean much anything, does it? Why? Well, because, they have a huge credit fund. And, Jim, we've been talking about private credit funds lately. Remember financing LBOs, whether it's Blackstone or Blue Owl or Ares or Apollo. This is a huge product area for private equity or for alternative asset managers, more appropriately.
I am so glad you framed it this way.
Yeah, of course. And you know what? Everybody's happy to get their name in a little marketing.
Right. They put up a shingle.
Yeah.
Hey, look at us. Yeah. We can do this.
Yeah. Apollo's not going to throw equity in this.
No.
Yeah, they got approached by somebody. Would you consider maybe combining Yahoo and then we throw in some money? It seems unlikely. Much more so is if, in fact, Musk does move ahead and he actually ever is asked to provide financing specifics and does so, that perhaps Apollo would be there behind his mountain of equity, which gets back to the bigger issue, which is the more I report, the less I believe there's anybody else that really could show up here. Private equity is not real. That's also marketing. I'm sorry, Orlando Bravo. Good for you.
Right.
You're not doing this deal. I mean, come on.
David, but what do you hear about?
The equity check would need to be 30, 40 bill. You can't lever this asset effectively. The rates of return don't work for you. What are you going to do? 7 private equity firms? No. And strategics. Disney? No way.
No.
Salesforce? I'll leave it to you.
No way.
No way. Snap?
You kidding me?
Okay. I'm out of ideas. So, Elon Musk, it's all yours. You just
David,
actually figure out if you can pay what they want you to pay, which is probably starting with a 6.
I keep hearing the best and final is the big sticking point. He's best and final.
Well, if he's best and final at 54.20.
He's talked to the board a lot.
Yeah, I haven't heard that he has talked to the board a lot.
That's what I'm getting. I'm getting the other side.
I've heard there's been a bit of back and forth. But really all it comes down to is the board saying, show us your financing. By the way, world's richest man. Yeah, he can do it. We know that. But how's he going to do it? Is he really going to choose to put that much of his net worth at risk? Maybe.
No.
Has a plan. Can't doubt Musk, right? I mean, you really can't.
Totally
the man sends giant rockets that they're going to go to Mars soon. It's incredible. But that's what the board's got to figure out. And, good luck finding somebody else to step up here. It just doesn't appear to be the case. So the stock's reflecting that to a certain extent.
But Brett Taylor wants a process-oriented guy.
Brett Taylor, the chairman of the board, who also Salesforce's co-CEO.
And the board is filled with heavyweights. This is not a hack board.
No. Although Dorsey doesn't seem to like him.
No, but
that was weird.
I think that I wish that Musk would just go up a little, and then there's game, set, match. I mean, look, there's people who just say, this is what I'm hearing. If you want to come at us for not having created any value, you get the company. They've created no value.
No, they haven't.
And meanwhile, Musk, a good piece by Matt Winkler, old friend at Bloomberg,
which Elon Musk appreciated.
Didn't you love that? I mean, number one in this, number one in that. No, he's greatest of all time, and he's like, a kid. So I just think that if you think that, Jack Dorsey ran 2 companies, and one did better.
Right. Now, by the way, you're paying for it, and then it's over, and it's a private company. So it's not like there's any constituency. The only constituency that should matter to that board, for the most part, is shareholders. Right. And getting them the best price. And I don't know, I believe that they don't think 54.20 is the best price. But to your point, management thus far has not been able to perhaps fulfill the ambitions of so many shareholders that say this should be a far more powerful and profitable, not powerful, profitable company.
They are working on something.
By the way, I mean, Musk came after them for the ownership as a percent of their net worth. They probably own more Twitter stock than he does as a percent of net worth, which is a good way to measure it.
But Musk, he points out, they're not users. They don't use it. So they don't know the experience of it. I think one of the things they are developing that I really like is you'll be able to block certain words. So I can take the words of the late George Carlin and block them.